Doon nga.
Ha?
Doon nga.
Isa tayo, duwa boss.
Kuan. Ano? J-Robs online niya, MCP Architect. Kuan, light J-Robs online.
Jangan?
J-Robs.
J-Robs online.
Oh, J-Robs online niya, MCP Architect.
Ay, makita gitaan na ilang kuan eh. Abi ka.
Di, ako dugan, ipalista na ko dito sa kuan. Ano gawin ko problema? Ano mag-play sa
Imo ni boss?
Oh, oh. Gutom ka?
Sa monggo.
Oh.
Saan yung address boss? Sumbuya no?
Hmm?
Sumbuya ni diri no? Sumbuya Talisay.
Mura, mura.
Pilay champion ani. Pilay champion ani. Ako kusgal busa.
Ano mo?
Battle for third place, J-Rob Online versus MCP. Arnold.
Ay, hold mo. Ayan na.
Di madungo dali.
Tungo mo ba?
Ako nangyana dali.
Pwede na sa'yo. Kaya na, maklip man nila. Kanina na. Clip. Clip mo siya. Tagana ka dito. Suwat pa. Suwat lang.
Okay. Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are live here at Ayolga Sports Gym, Sombuya, Talisay City, the championship match. Pero bago yan, appetizer muna tayo as J-Robs Online will be facing MCP Architect. Neil Ramos on deck. Once again, this is the battle for third. Live here at Ayolga Sports Gym. Early shout outs here to our viewers: Andre Reyes, Aaron Wong, Brett Sadaya, and Phil June Zamora Sebes. For everybody who's watching us online, please share the live, comment for shout outs. Of course, if you are near here, Sombuya, Talisay City, pwede kayong manood. We have a lot of vacant seats. Pero mamaya pa to. We're still in the appetizer game, the battle for third matchup between MCP Architect and J-Robs Online. J-Robs Online, the men in light. MCP Architect, the men in dark.
Okay, jumbo.
And this is D Generals Basketball League Season 2 Finals Battle for third. First possession will go with the man in light as he will miss. Ball will go with Tabla. Tabla, lefty J. Not that time for Tabla. Rebound goes as he is blocked. Good defense. He will attack, drops it inside. Shot too deep. Ball goes to the man in light. Inside. Oh, what a move. he will
15 seconds to shoot.
not get that bucket to fall. Masyadong malalim yung tira na yon.
Warning, 0 online for late game.
There will be a warning for delaying the game. Inside. Nagkape pa sa ere. Not that time. Rebound goes to Solina. Solina. Oh, what a lay. Solonia rather. Solonia getting the first bucket, but there's an answer from J-Robs online. Villarin gets it to go. Right at 2. First 5 minutes of action, by the way. Jumper, no. Battle for the board. Solonia has it. Drops. Oh, what a pass. Solonia inside. Threading the needle. Take a look at that one more time. Solonia. Beautiful find. Biruin mo nakita pa niya yun. Now it's 5-2, 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. 5-2 now is our score. Inside, no. Rebound goes to no one, but the ball will stay with J-Robs online. Jumper, wala. Attack, one-hander, yes! That is Tabla on that floater. Hindi man lang nakapuntos in the past 1 minute or in the past 2 minutes of action itong J-Robs online as Villarin. Another basket for him. Now the lead is down to 3. Lozano now has the leather. Lozano outside 2-pointer. Wala. Bad shot. He will attack. Loses the ball mid-air. Oh, tough one. Almost, but not quite. Pinoy step. Wala pa din. Rebound goes to J-Robs online. 2 minutes, 3 seconds. Outside to Villarin. Villarin kicks it out. Fakes the 3. Spins. A lot of dribbling wizardry here. Drops it down low. Yes! Slowly but surely, J-Robs online. By the way, that was Americana who got the basket earlier as Tabla fires a 3 from the wing. Not that time for Tabla. Rebound. Para dito sa J-Robs online. They can get the lead behind the back. That is out of bounds. J-Robs online with a turnover. 1 minute 16 seconds to go. MCP Architect will have a 1-point lead, but a turnover for the man in green. Inside. Oh, what a find! Ameliana with the basket did not disappoint. Masyadong libre. And now it's a 1-point lead, 8-7 for J-Robs online. 3 ball. That is up. That is no good. Masyadong malakas. Solonia with the basketball. Solonia Tabla 1-on-1. Tabla flying high. That's a foul for Abrica.
28, second personal foul, second team foul.
Second personal foul there for Abrica. Tabla is at the line. First shot will miss.
Second throw, ready for rebound.
Second free throw for Abrica, or for Tabla rather. Rebound goes to J-Robs Online. Again, the winner of this matchup will be the third placer. Inside, another great find. Oh, everything but the finish. 20 seconds. Munti pang matamaan ang ating ang ating production dito, but we're all good. 16.9 left. Solonia fires at 3. No, not that time. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Villarin attacks. Villarin falls down. Blocked by Solonia. Tabla fires 3 to beat the buzzer. Uy, may technical pang matatawag dito for J-Robs Online. That's going to be for Abrica. Naku po. Matatapos na lang yung ating first quarter. Natamaan pa ng technical itong si Abrica, as Tabla will be headed to the free throw line. 2 shots coming in. And 8-7. J-Robs Online though leading the way by 1 point. Second 5 minutes of action here in the first quarter. J-Robs Online up by 1 point. Once again, we are live for the battle for third here in the Yoga Sports Gym, Sombria, Talisay City. Ahead to his teammate, as he will get that one, as Desierto will regain the lead for MCP Architect. 10 seconds on the shot clock for J-Robs, as the ball will not be, or the basket will not be able to fall for J-Robs. However, there will be a foul for Ofianga. That's the Desierto, natamaan sa kamay. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Inside. Oh, yes! My goodness. Villarin. Dipsy-do sits in the air. Back and forth we go. 3 ball. That is up. That is no good. Rebound goes to J-Robs Online. He will attack. Ball goes to J-Robs once again. Back-to-back baskets. Tabla. Down low. Tabla with a lay. Long arms of Tabla. Inside pass. Yes. Villarin again. Villarin already with double digits, but Villarin already had double digits with 10, as Tabla tries to answer. Stick back is good. 14-13, 2:51 left. Fires long 2. That is off the mark. That will be another foul for J-Robs, as Cabigas will be called for a foul. First personal foul for Cabigas. basket is good. Free throw is good for MCP. We'll be right back after this timeout of Yanga with the basket.
Score 14 all.
Back after the timeout. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. 14 all. Interesting matchup so far here in the first quarter. A very long first quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Basket is good. Rebound for the Shelton, not that time. Rebound goes to Bacosillo. Inside, ball is loose. Miscommunication there, and it is out of bounds. Ball goes to MCP. Shelton. Inside, got away with a double dribble there. Don't see a tabla. Di makapuntos. Less than 1 minute to go. Behind the head, Ala Titing manalilipat.
30 seconds violation.
That's a 3-second violation for MCP.
Remaining.
37 seconds, 3 ball, that is not gonna go. Rebound battle, mapupunta dito for J. Robs online.
14 seconds.
31.6 left, 14 seconds on the shot clock, almost a steal there. It was, oh, what an ankle breaker! Oh my goodness! There will be a traveling call. That could have been a highlight for J. Robs, letting his defender touch earth. 15 seconds. The Shelto fires a 3. Bang! 1 point lead for MCP as the Shelto gets that 3 ball to go. 2 seconds. .4 left. And this is going to be it for the first quarter. MCP is up by that. The Ciento 3, 17-16. We'll be right back for the second quarter.
Second quarter.
Back in the ball game. First 5 minutes of the second quarter as the Shelto will miss a 3. Step back is no good. Gets his own miss. Pass it to Soliano. Or Solonia rather. He will miss it. And the basket is good by Bacosno. Solonia outside. Kakayugan fires a 3. Early 3 for Kakayugan. Nato, there's a shooter played with and against this guy. Di talaga nakilala bilang shooter itong si Kakayugan. Oh, what a hustle there. Solonia will get the steal. Ahead with the touchdown as Ofianga with the layup. Inside. Nope, not that time. Rebound goes to MCP. Colonia loses the ball. Election with a lay. Nope. That is a walk traveling without a passport. Election. Too many steps. It's 19-18 Kakayugan. Short again with a jumper. And that's going to be a foul for J. Robs online as Gilbert Ofianga now will shoot 2 at the line.
Correction, foul number 27. First personal foul, first team foul.
Ofianga hits 2 free throws. And Solonia will be called for a blocking
Foul
foul.
number 31, Solonia, that's your first personal foul. First team foul, MCP.
First team foul for Solonia. Ball is stolen by Ofianga. Here comes the flying G. Yes, Gilbert Ofianga puts up the lead to 5 points, 23-18. Abrica against Solonia. Another miscommunication there for J. Robs online. Fianga to Kakayugan, top of the key. Desierto, a much higher percentage. Not that time. Kakayugan with a one-hander, too strong. 0 out of 3 so far for Christian Kakayugan. Solonia with a swipe. And he will get his second personal foul. J-Robs online will call a timeout. MCP Architect leading the way 23-18. We'll be back. Back to live action, 5-point lead, 23-18. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining after the timeout. Turnover for J. Robs earlier. Fakes. Inside with a lay. All the way. As Abrica getting it in. And the lead is down to 2. Abella fires a 3. Not that time for Abella. Rebound goes to J. Robs. Now Abrica will handle the rock. Abrica looking. Abrica double team. Look at that defense from MCP. Drops it inside. Oy, naiwan ng libre. Itong si Abellana. Over commitment, that's what you get. Easy 2 points for Abellana. Just a 1-point lead with less than 1 minute to go. Deshelto fires a 3 straight up. Almost got it in. Rebound goes to J. Robs. Now Abrica here in the second quarter being the facilitator for J. Robs online. Kanina medyo nagsa-struggle ang opensa nitong J. Robs. However, right now, they're just down by 1 point. Inside, Kakayugan on the defensive end. That's a foul. And Let's take a look at that replay. Passing, score, bucket.
Personal foul.
He'll have a chance of making a 2-point lead if he makes his free throw. Let's see. Nope, he won't. He will not complete the 3-point play. Ilyasson, 14 seconds remaining. Solonia outside the shelter from the wing. Fires. Got it! Second triple for the shelter. Ball is stolen by Ofianga. Ofianga fires. That's the end of the first 5 minutes of the second quarter. We'll be right back for the final 5 minutes, 26-24. We'll be right back. Kaya taduan na lang man eh. Ako kami nakawagotan eh. And we are back in the ballgame for the final 5 minutes of the second quarter. Again, this is the battle for third live here at the Yoga Sports Gym for the D Generals Basketball League Season 2. Oh, what a spin. Jumper is no good. Rebound goes still to J-Robs online. Pinoy step all the way. Again, everything but the finish. Stabla will have the leather. Now DeShelto will have the ball. What a pass, DeShelto inside. And Marco Abay did not disappoint getting the 2 points from that pass from DeShelto. Villarin back outside. He attacks. Drops it. No traveling violation. For Caballero, there's a same foot landing. Nasobrahan sa step yung kaniyang paa. DeShelto, top of the key, fires. DeShelto! With a shooter's bounce, gets it to go. 31-24 now. Caballero. DeShelto will get the steal. DeShelto naghanap ng mapapasahan dito. Ball is stolen by Bagumo. Bagumo attacks. Bagumo. Jumper for Villarin. Is good. Abay. To Lozano. Lozano drops it inside. Tabla. Shot too deep, doesn't matter. He lays that one in. Now it's 33-26. 2:47 remaining for the final 5 minutes of the second quarter. Final 5 minutes of the first half as Tabla gets a steal. Now DeShelto will have the ball. DeShelto already with 3 3-pointers. DeShelto drops it to Kakayugan. Back to DeShelto. Jumper for 2. That is good. Now it's 35-26. J-Robs online. Medyo napako sa 26 points. As Villarin will shoot 2 shots at the line on that floater.
Number 21, Abay has their first personal foul.
That will be a foul on Abay. Second free throw there is good for Villarin. 35-27 as Lozano now drops it inside. Jumper, no rebound. Goes to Lozano. Lozano drops it to Tabla. Tabla will not be able to get it. A 2-on-1 break. Drops it inside. Villarin. One more off the glass. How many points does this guy has? As Roland Villarin cutting the lead to 6 points. Kanina pa nananalata sa puntos sa scoring department itong si Villarin. But still, they are down by 6. Kakayuran. No defense or no basket there for Kakayuran. As Bagusmo with another basket. And the lead is down to 4, 35-31. Timeout for MCP Architects. Back in the ball game, 50 seconds remaining. Kakayuran finally gets the bucket to fall. Christian Kakayuran after a very slow start. Christian Kakayuran already and will try to complete the 3-point play, and no, he won't. No, 2 points. But the 2 points is good for Kakayuran. Just could not complete the 3-point play. 37-31 is our score. 3 ball for Bagusmo. That is up. That is no good. Rebound goes to Kakayuran. Kakayuran looking. DeShelto at the ball. DeShelto inches closer. DeShelto passes it the right time, the right place, but it is a turnover as Bagusmo all the way. Bagusmo stripped a little bit. DeShelto, oh, what a save by DeShelto. There will be a counter. Bagusmo with a floater. Yes. It's 37-33. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Tabla to beat the buzzer. Bang! What a way to end the first half, ladies and gentlemen. 40-33. Let's take a look at that 3 again. Let's see as Tabla just in the nick of time as JR Tabla, or Aljon Tabla rather, hits that 3-pointer. A buzzer beating 3-pointer by the end of the first half. We'll be right back for the third quarter. 40-33.
Basketball game, third quarter.
We are back in the game as another early 3-pointer here for MCP Architect. Inside pass. It is short. Gets it to go. Solonia with the basketball. Solonia waiting top of the key. Back outside to Solonia. Solonia to Tabla. Tabla fires a deuce. Tabla gets it to go. Aljon Tabla. Another basket for the lefty wing. Outside 3. Nope, not that time for Abuica. Rebound goes to Leson. Power move. Nope. But the ball will stay with J. Robs on line. As Villarin now Kicks it outside from the sideline. 3. Nope, not that side. Ball is in the hands of Elishon. Shot too strong. Rebound you fires off the what a shot! Oh, that's Cabigas rather. Grabe, hindi siya na lang eh. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than to be good, as Cabigas getting that hook shot, an awkward looking hook shot there from Cabigas. Tabla, blocked by Cabigas, doing it in both ends of the floor. Cabigas not giving up on the play. Caballero outside, 3 ball, that is up, that is good. Abrica coming alive here in the third quarter. Lead is down to 6 points, 46-40. Tabla has a ball. Tabla misses it. Rebound goes to Cabigas. Cabigas saves it again. Passes it to Caballero. Caballero outside. Abrica, same spot. Nope. Decides to inch closer. Abrica. Oh, yes! What a move by Abrica. Lead is down to 4 points. 7 minutes, 23 seconds remaining. And a foul will be called for Elishon.
Foul number 65. Substitution.
Let's see what will happen here. What will be the final verdict as the referees are discussing something. Bola mga pupunta dito sa MCP Architect. Tabla right now will be headed to the line. 2 shots coming in para dito kay Tabla.
Foul number 65. That's your third.
Nope, no free throws for Tabla.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Jumper, that is up, no good. Rebound goes to Caballero. Caballero almost getting that steal, but the ball is kicked as it will go back with J-Robs online. Again, it's 46-42, a 4-point lead. Abrica has the ball. Caballero fakes. Caballero with a shot, no good. Rebound goes to Elishon. Elishon with a post move. Not that time for Elishon. As now DeShelto will have the basketball. DeShelto outside to Solonia. Solonia back to DeShelto. DeShelto not shy to take the shot. Nope, not that time. Also, teammates of DeShelto giving him the green light to always shoot. He already got 3 3-pointers in this contest. As Ofianga gets it to go. Ito din si Ofianga, kanina pa din nananalata in terms of the scoring department back in the second quarter. First 5 minutes of the second quarter specifically. Itong si Ofianga has been the scoring machine para dito sa MCP. Now, Ofianga na naman, may tangan ng bola. Ofianga ahead to DeShelto. DeShelto, layup. Touchdown. Kumawala. As DeShelto lays it in. 50-42. J-Robs will call a timeout. Let's take a look at that layup earlier from DeShelto. Masyadong madali para dito kay DeShelto. We'll be right back with 5:32 left, 50-42.
Basketball game score 50 against 42 in favor of MCP.
Back to live action after that time out. 50-42 is our score. 5 minutes, 27 seconds na titirang oras here in the third quarter. Caballero with the basketball. Caballero, top of the key. Caballero fires a three. Nope, not that time. That's a bad shot by Caballero. Solonia now has it. Nice passing here for MCP as Villarin is double team or triple team rather. As the ball will go back with J Rubs online. Villarin one-on-one on Solonia. That is out of bounds. Too much dribbling there for Villarin. You gotta give credit to this guy as Roland Villarin. If they win this, him and itong si Abrica will be candidates for the best player of the game. Meanwhile, if MCP wins, Rubio Fiang and Tabla will be the candidates of the game. Honorable mention for Ariel De Celto as, again, very solid, just steady lang. Itong si Ariel De Celto. 3 ball, naiwan sa labas, masyadong matalas. And a foul, there's a push from Caballero. Kitang-kita sa ating camera. Shout out to G-Stream, George Michael Lucas, our official live streaming partner. Kakayuran, top of the key. Kakayuran with 4 points, I believe. Desierto to Ofianga. Ofianga attacks. Ofianga loses the ball. Caballero, no foul call there. Kakayuran will go all the way. Nope. Now Abrica will have the basketball. Abrica. Eto Abellana. Abellana drops ito Cabigas. Alley-oop. Hey, yes! And Cabigas will score. The lead is down to 6 points still. MCP is leading the way. Now Solonia outside. Desierto. Oh, what a pass. Beautiful find by Gilbert Ofianga to Kakayuran. And Kakayuran right now with 6 points. This is what you like about the player. Not just on the scoring end, but also making his teammates' presence felt. Ayaw niya na medyo matatawag siyang buwaya at some point. But hindi naman, as Gilbert Ofianga's style of play is a very solid utility guy. Yes, he is scoring, but I am pretty sure na in the past couple games, hindi siya yung inaasahan talaga when it comes to offense. But today, he provides, he delivers. They are leading by 8 points. Ofianga fires a J. Not that time for Ofianga. Nice move by the way by Ofianga, backing down. Just gonna get a jumper to go. Bacusmo. Double team. Bacusmo almost loses the ball, and yes he does. Ofianga ahead. Oh! Solonia, you gotta be careful. That's an obvious blocking foul for Solonia against Election.
That's your third personal foul.
Third personal foul for Solonia. Kitang-kita naman kasi. Papunta na kay Election yung bola. Sinundan pa niya. That causes a turnover. Or that causes a foul for Solonia. That's Bacusmo. Cuts down the lead to 6 once again. Solonia to Desierto. Fires a 3. Not that time. Rebound of Ofianga. Oh, yes! What a pass! Beautiful find by Ofianga. Unselfishness at its finest. Election, reverse, nope. Battle for the board. Ball will go with MCP. Outside to Desierto, drops it to Solonia. Solonia short. Stick back, wala pa din. Short hands by Solonia. Kakayuran. Another one, and finally, on the fourth time, or the fourth try, MCP will score with less than 1 minute to go. Bacusmo Outside, Abrica fires a three. Nope, masyadong matalas. Rebound goes to Ofianga. What a hustle there by Gilbert Ofianga. As Ofianga drops it to his teammate. Oh, no, sir. 19 seconds. And Salonia with a nice defensive effort, tapping that ball out of bounds straight in the side part of Bacosmo.
5 seconds remaining.
5 seconds. Desierto outside. Salonia fire short. That is the end of the third quarter. 10-point lead for MCP Architect. Will be right back for the fourth and final quarter. Who will be the D Generals Basketball League third placer? We'll be right back for the fourth.
Basketball game, fourth and final quarter.
Back in the ball game for the fourth and final quarter. 56-46, a 10-point lead for MCP Architect. Villarin with a wild pass. Cabigas inside. That's a 3-second violation. Lozano to Ofianga. Ofianga almost loses the ball. Ofianga drops to Lozano. Easy deuce. Great cut there by Lozano. Good pass by Ofianga. Now Caballero has the ball. Side to Cabigas. Cabigas will miss. Rebound goes to Caballero. Drops it to Villarin. Villarin. Easy deuce. Kayogan loses the ball. Was not able to save it. By the way, we are in the last quarter. MCP Architect looking good on this one, pero medyo mahaba pa ang ating oras dito. No need to be complacent if you are MCP Architect. Fianga inside, Kakayogan loses it, partially blocked. Ball goes to Caballero. Caballero attacks, drops to Villarin. Villarin, the hoop in the heart for Roland Villarin. Let's take a look at that once again. Too nice, you gotta see it twice. Muntik pang hindi pumasok. But Villarin will shoot one free throw to complete the 3-point play. Yung nga sinasabi ko, no need to be complacent. Thou shall not kumpiyansa, kumbaga. Mahabang oras pa to, 8 minutes, and exactly 8 minutes is an eternity in the basketball world. As a turnover, Villarin again, already ahead. Villarin, look at that! Back-to-back hits for Roland Villarin. Now it is just a 6-point lead, 58-52. A 6-0 run for J-Robs Online. We'll be right back for the final minutes here in the D Generals Basketball League Battle for Third. Here, back to live action. By the way, shout out to our viewers. Arfel Ray Manigbas. Uy, delikado, Manigbas. Joke lang, boss. Shout out to Andre Reyes, to the Commissioner Sainizar, who is, I believe, somewhere right now. Also to Vince Caballero Manalo, Norvi Villaver, and John Carlo Segaga. We are in the 7-minute mark of the fourth quarter as Roland Villarin once again dropping baskets. Again, mahabang oras pa po itong 7 minutes. Only a 6-point lead. Still a very manageable lead. Kakayuran loses the ball once again. 1-on-1 break. 2-on-1 break. Caballero escapes. Oh, tough shot there by Caballero. Ofianga. Oh, what a move! Ofianga! Yes, sir! This guy is just scoring from every edge of the court. Ofianga. It's also, Ofianga is quite familiar. I believe I saw this guy played in some other leagues. Nice pass by Ofianga to the referee. As I was praising Ofianga, nagka-turnover pa. But that's okay. They are still leading the way 62-56. Again, I believe Ofianga played for the MCBL. I'm not quite sure what team. I'm not quite sure what season. Shout out to Arden Nibay, 62-56. Solonia and Election battling down low. Oh, is it the hand of Bacosmo? Bacosmo will attack. Bacosmo outside. 3-second violation once again for Election. Five minutes and 49 seconds. Another 3-ball for the Shelto. That is good. Fourth triple of the game for Ariel De Shelto. He attacks Bacosmo, taking it strong to the rack. Looking like Thanos out there, says, fine, I'll do it myself. 65-58. Ofianga. That's a double dribble on Ofianga. Medyo dumikit yung bola sa kanyang kamay. It's a clear lifting violation there from Gilbert Ofianga. Now another chance for J. Robs online. Abrica fires a 3. Bang! Gets it to go. 65-61, just a 4-point lead for J. Robs online. Ito yung sinasabi ko, kumpiyansa. Masyadong kumpiyansa. Itong MCP Architect kanina, they are leading by more than just 10 points. Abrica one more time. Nope, not that time for Abrica. Solonia ahead to Ofianga. Ofianga drops it to Tabla as Tabla loses the ball after that tap. Shot clock reset to 24 as Lozano fires. Bad shot by Lozano. As Election will be hit in the face.
That's your third personal foul.
Natamaan ba sa mukha itong si Election? 4 minutes 23. Now the time is winding down and the momentum is in J. Robs online's hands. Caballero outside 3. Bacosmo gets it in and the lead is down to 1 point. What a shot by Bacosmo. Pamatay sunog. 65-64, 4:09 left J-Robs Online within striking distance. Back live here, 65-64, 1 point lead for MCP Architect. A miss there by Gilbert Ofianga. A chance for J-Robs to take the lead. He is not gonna go. That is not gonna go, rather. Tabla. Outside, Deshelto fires. And a stick back is good by Ofianga. No hesitation or whatsoever. Hard screen there by Cabigas. Ball stays with MCP. Or with J-Robs Online, rather. Bacosmo fires a three! We are tied! 6-7 all! Grabe yung run na pinapakita ng J-Robs Online here in the fourth quarter. Deshelto outside. Ofianga, tough cover. No basket there. Deshelto quickly running on the defensive effort. That's a foul. That's a foul before the travel.
Deshelto, that's your second personal foul.
Nagtaka pa talaga itong si Ariel Deshelto. After that call, nagtaka pa talaga siya bakit daw natatawagan siya ng foul. That was a clear grab from Ariel Deshelto. As Bacosmo for the lead, 68-67. One more. Bacosmo hits the second one, 69-67 is our score. All of a sudden, the offense of MCP has collapsed here in the fourth quarter. Deshelto outside, Kakayugan fires, bad shot again. Kakayugan is not a known three-point shooter. 2:38 remaining. Abrica loses the ball. Deshelto to Ofianga. Ofianga blocked! Get that weak stuff out of here. Let's see that again. Too nice. You gotta see it twice. Challenging the defense of Eleccion. Nope, not in my house, says Eleccion. As this Deshelto will miss another three. Another rejection. Basket doesn't go. Battle for the board goes in the hands of J-Robs Online. Bacosmo. Ball is tapped out by Deshelto. We are now inching closer to the last 2 minutes of the fourth and final quarter.
Around single.
2:03 left. Cabigas outside. Caballero. Jumper. That is good. 71-67. All of a sudden, J-Robs Online came alive here in the fourth quarter. Kakayugan outside. Three ball for Tabla at that time. Caballero now has the ball, hits a jumper earlier. Caballero attacks. Ball is stolen by Tabla. Tabla outside. DeShelto fires a three. Almost got it in. One more. Drops it to Tabla. Good decision from Solonia, and that cuts down the lead to 2 points with 1:15 remaining, 71-69.
Kailan na ako, maglingon yung championship na. Maglingon yung championship.
Back to the ball game. Both teams have one timeout left. Both teams will stand at timeout.
Back to live action. Both teams only have one timeout left. Tag-iisang timeout na lang ang dalawang kupunan dito. J-Rubs Online, MCP Architect. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. A 2-point lead for the men in light. Sabi ni Bacusmo, Labauta, lamang sila. Solonia on the defensive end. Bacusmo goes all the way, and Solonia, you gotta give credit to that defensive effort from Solonia. 9 seconds on the shot clock for J-Rubs. That's a foul. We called on Ofianga. Fourth personal foul already for Ofianga. And he is out. He is graduation time. As Cabigas gets the second one, 3-point lead. You don't need a three if you are MCP. You just need to have a 2 points and 1 stop. Less than 1 minute to go. Tabla inside. Oh, bad pass. That's a bad pass by Tabla. Bacusmo inside with a lay. 5-point lead. Ofianga drops it to Kakayuran. Kakayuran fouled. And he will be tested at the line.
Foul number 65.
Shout out to Plazo Marson. Feljun Zamora Sebes. Shout out to you. 5 puntos ang lamang as Kakayuran cuts down the lead to 4. 35.1 seconds remaining. 11-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Let's see what will be the conclusion of this matchup as Kakayuran completes and perfects the free throw as Ofianga gets the steal. One-hander. Follow-up shot. Wala pa din. 25 seconds remaining. Caballero will settle things down. That's a foul on Solonia.
That's your fourth personal foul penalty.
Fourth personal foul on Solonia already. Caballero can seal this deal, can put the final nail in the coffin, as he will miss. He will miss. Now I gotta say MCP needs a 3. Or no, not yet. They're gonna need to have a quick 2 foul, 1 stop at a time. 75-71, 20.5 seconds remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. We'll be right back.
Back to the ball game. 4-point lead, J-Rubs on.
Wasted sila.
20 seconds remaining. Shot clock 14 seconds.
We're back in the game. 20 seconds remaining. 75-71. Kakayuran looking. DeShelto for 3. That is short. Rebound goes to Tabla. Outside Solonia. Back outside the shelter. Fires another three. No! Ofianga gets a three of his own. Wala pa din. And that might do it. 0.3 seconds. J-Robs Online came back in the fourth quarter to win and got the third place finish. 75-71 once again is our final score. Our next game would be the championship game. Once again, live here at the Yoga Sports Gym. We'll see you in just a few bit. Once again, congratulations, J-Robs Online, for winning the third place finish.
Once again, congratulations, our third placer, J-Robs Online.
Collapse man. Di ba ni magsugod ayon, boss, no? Nago kay? Kaya dyan ko, boss, ha?